Okay. This is the trowel I'm using. V-notch trowel. So I'm going to pick them up now and cement them down. Here's a polymer modified thinset.
Once you have your thinset spread, first you did use the back side of the trowel to key it in, and then use the notch side of the trowel to spread your thinset. And you want to make sure that you don't leave any humps or bumps or whatever. And then you set your tile in by placing it into the thinset and pressing it in, and make sure it's all pressed in. And then you can lift up one corner and check your coverage. And then what I usually do is I get a rubber float and I beat it in with a rubber float just to make sure that it's really nice and set into the thinset. And then you just keep on putting your tile into the thinset by sliding it on top of the other tile and letting it fall into place. And you just keep on going like this until the whole floor is done.
Sometimes thinset through the grout lines, got a little bit too much underneath, so what can help with that is like a brush. Just trying to clean it out. And that'll clean the grout lines up for you. If you don't clean it up now, when you go to grout it, it's going to be a lot harder. So you want to get the grout lines clean. This can happen when it's very soft, very thin tile.